Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On the last episode, Ella and I explored Rishikesh, and on this episode, we head to our fifth city of Jodhpur. We took a overnight train, 12 hours from Rishikesh to Jodhpur, and we just arrived. Keep watching to see what we get up to in the Blue City. We made it to Jodhpur! All right, Ella and I are at our cooking class. You found it on TripAdvisor? Yes. TripAdvisor. I'll include a link in the description below where you can book it. But basically, we're in these people's house, and it's so beautiful. The walls are purple. There's all the blue detailing, and we're going to learn how to make chai masala, which I'm most excited for. Papadam, masala parantha, potato, and a bunch, roti, and a few other things. So yeah. Trying our chai. It's really good, you guys. I want to bathe in this chai. I feel like I can taste more of the cardamom. I think she said she put in there.
Yeah.
It's more like fresh.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. Cheers!
It's called Bhelpuri.
All right, Bhelpuri. Very good.
How do you like?
Super fresh.
Yeah.
Most welcome.
Yes. Yum.
No.
Her own creation. Wow.
So every Indian kitchen, there are two kind of spice boxes are there. One spice box is this one. What do you see here? This is with the all grinded spices, raw spices together. So what do you see right now? This is turmeric, chili, salt, caraway seed, and this is cumin, coriander, mustard seeds, asafoetida. Asafoetida.
Nice.
So this is all beautiful spices. And then second spice box is raw Indian spices. Look at this.
Wow.
So the raw Indian spices are, so star anise, mace, black cardamom, black pepper, cloves, chili. This is for flavor. And garam masala. This is in the powder form, this is raw form, mixed. So this is all the spices together.
Wow. cooking, something delicious.
What are you cooking, Emma?
What is it called again?
It's pulao.
Pulao.
Jodhpur pulao. Wow. What are you making, girls? What we do, every day whenever we get a milk, we boil the milk, a big thick cream comes on top of milk. We separate that whole cream. Look at this. So this is all the cream from milk.
Amazing.
And that she have a special process to make ghee out of this.
Wow.
So we have pure ghee, homemade ghee at home. When sometimes the guests don't like tea and it is hot, so we have a sharbat. This is made with rose petals and sugar.
Sharbat.
Wow, you speak very nice Hindi. How is the taste?
Very good, refreshing.
Wow.
Ah, it's so good. I can't wait to eat it. Almost dinner time.
Steroids is good for everything is skin, fungal, and lot of
Amazing.
properties Ayurveda.
Yum. The aftermath. Ooh, I like this one. Is this a horse? Like your shirt? Very good. You did not draw that. Hold on. Are we joking?
No.
The creator? Look at this. Morning. It is our first and only full day in Jodhpur, and Ella and I are on our way to Nav Chokia, which is the Blue City, and the Blue City was painted blue because back in the day, all of the villager people convinced the king that if they painted all the buildings white, it would help cool down the town. Well, they did that and it worked. It cooled down the town and kept out the bugs and pests. But then all of the white buildings started turning yellow and not looking very good. So the solution was to paint them all blue, and that fixed the problem. It continued to stay cool, keep the bugs out, and also looks beautiful, and it is now one of the main attractions to this city. Hot tip when you're in Jodhpur, it's not like Rishikesh. Cover up because people do stare a lot. I'm in this and I still have people staring at us. But yeah, hot tip. Just make sure you're covered up because Rishikesh was chill. Not here. Onion kachori. This dish is famous and specific to Jodhpur, so we're very excited to try it. Filling's pretty good. Onion and potato. All right, we made it to the Sardar Market. This market is famous for its textiles, clothing, shoes, bangles, and other jewelry. So me and Ella are very excited to go check it out. And then afterwards, we're gonna get ourselves a sweet treat that's famous in the town of Jodhpur. It's more tangy. I'm a fan of that. It doesn't taste like a regular mango lassi. It tastes like a sherbet mango lassi. Okay, we just left the Sardar Market, and honestly, it wasn't that great. I felt like all of the material was just like cheap clothes, cheap jewelry. The YouTube video I watched made it look so great, but yeah, I would skip this. I did really like the macaina lassi that I had. It's like a milk lassi drink with some butter on top. I really liked it. Ella was not the biggest fan though, so I think it's worth a try, but maybe share it with a friend just in case you don't like it. But yeah, I would skip the Sardar Market. We just took the lift up to the fort. Highly recommend paying the 50 rupee to do that because lots of steps. And it's hot out, but look at our view. Amazing. So that's where we were, Ella.
You were there?
Yeah, we did that this morning.
Another movie, one shot here, Dark Knight Rises, Batman 3. So from there, when Batman come out from the prison, when you go there and see the view of the fort, it's same like the movie. Just check Jodhpur Batman.
Wow! This is the official flag of Jodhpur. Every city in Rajasthan has their own flag, and that's how you can identify where the person's from. And their turban, depending on the color turban they wear, depends on what caste system they are, and what flag they have depends on where they're from. Alrighty, it's 6:30 a.m. and we're at the rail station to get on our bus to Jaisalmer. Yeah, I'm not a fan of early mornings, but I guess it was kind of nice to walk through the city and there not be a lot of noise. But once we got out onto the main bit, it was just like good old India.